Yes, my name is Alex Money. It's my great pleasure to give a presentation on behalf of Gordon Clark, the director of the Smith School. I don't have lots of slides about who we are and all of that stuff, partly because we built a brand new website and we're really trying to get the search rankings up a bit higher. So www.smithschool.ox.ac.uk talk a little bit about the people and our research strands. What I wanted to use these 3 minutes to do was to just talk about one project in particular, and Michael will talk about sustainable finance in a second. The Smith School, if you like, is a microcosm, I think, of what the work we try to do in this department is in terms of physical geography, human geography, and environmental geography. And a very good example of that is our water program, which is run by Rob Hope, who used to direct run or administer or manage the water MSc here. And one of the bits of work that several of you in this room are involved in is in the smart hand pump program. And you might know that in Africa, 40% of the hand pumps just don't work. So they're in place and all the money's been spent to put them in, but some small thing has gone wrong. And the difficulty has been to try to work out where things have gone wrong and why. And a team of people from here and working with engineering and other parts of this university developed an accelerometer, which you might find on a mobile phone or in a Wii game, and combined that with a SIM card, and retrofitted this device into handles of Mark II hand pumps, or AfriDev hand pumps, the sort that you use to raise water. By putting these things in, they're able to see whether the pumps are functioning, but actually even more than that, based on the accelerometer, they can tell the age or the gender of who might be using the pump, based on the motion and the angle, and even the depth at which the water is getting. And so you're using these hand pumps in diffuse areas to get maps of what water abstraction looks like. And this has interesting things from a science background, from a policy, from the economics. And as an example of the sort of work the Smith School tries to do, which I think crosses across some of these different disciplines. You've probably seen graphs or diagrams like this of the 5 capitals, manufactured capital being plants and machinery and buildings, financial capital, equity and debt, social capital, families, businesses, communities, human capital, health, education, and then natural capital, which is the resource around us. And I think to summarize what we're trying to do here is we're looking at the relationship between the responsibilities and the contribution that enterprise can make in that relationship with developing growth and everything else in a resource-constrained world. Right, that's enough from me. I hand over to a much better dressed Michael Wies, who will take you through another strand of our work, which is sustainable finance. Thanks very much.